Hi guys, mag-unboxing tayo. Tara! Wow! Tatlo to guys yung order ko. Wow! Ang cute! Maliit lang guys. Okay na yun. Yan, tatlo guys. Tatlo yan. By the way guys, yun yung wrapper. Gusto ko isa lang yung binubuksan ko. Ang cute! Gift, by the way, gift ko tong dalawa sa mga friends ko. Si Kylie, by the way, at saka si Chick Chick. Cute! Shout out sa'yo, Kylie. And shout out sa'yo, Chick Chick, my best friend, two of them. Okay, thank you guys for supporting my YouTube channel. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye!